Spend $1,000 with Preferred Plumbing and you get a free garden tap upgrade, a hose bib replacement. Hey guys, Rafi here, Preferred Plumbing. I just want to reiterate our September promotion. Do you need a new hose tap? Do you need a new garden tap in your backyard or in your garage or the side of the house? Is it old? Is it rusty? Does it drip? Is it wiggling in the wall? Is the handle broken and it's sharp, and when you go turn it on, you keep on cutting yourself? You find you're having to squeeze it real tight? Well, check this out. I'm reiterating the promotion. Spend $1,000 with Preferred Plumbing and you get a free garden tap upgrade, a hose bib replacement. All you got to do is call us in, and as long as the services add up to that amount or more, if you'd like your garden tap replaced and upgraded, we will do that at no charge. Remember that, guys. September promotion. And what do you think October promotion is going to be? I'm thinking about doing a promotion every single month just to keep you guys listening. Have a good day. See ya.